Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make attieke. This recipe is called Garba in Ivory Coast, and it's so simple but so yummy. So let's start. For this recipe, you need some good attieke. So I have here a pre-cooked attieke, which I'm going to add some salt and a little bit of oil. This attieke is already ready. I just need to heat it a little bit. So you can do that in your microwave, or you can also do it in a steamer. I'm going to do it in my steamer, and I will heat that for a few minutes, like for 10 to 15 minutes. Then once that is ready, I will remove and set aside. If you love my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. The next thing is to fry the fish. For this recipe, you normally need to use tuna fish. So these are fresh tuna fish. But if you can't get some fresh tuna fish, you can use mackerel fish. So take your fish and salt it a little bit, and then also add some pepper. So cover the fish with the flour. Once the oil is hot, we are going to deep fry the fish. Fry the fish until it's done and brown, and when it's ready, you can remove that and set aside. Now the next thing to do is to prepare your vegetables. So here normally we use just 3 vegetables, hot peppers and tomatoes with onions. So I'm going to cut them into small cubes. If you love my recipes, please don't forget to rate it and leave me a comment in the comment box below. Love my recipes, please don't forget to rate it and leave me a comment in the comment box below. So now I'm going to serve. I will add my attieke with the fried fish and also the vegetables like tomatoes, onions and hot peppers. Then I will also add a little bit of oil. Normally they add 1 cube here, but I'm not going to add any bouillon cube. And now you can just eat this and enjoy. So take your fish, mix your vegetables and your attieke, and it's so yummy guys. You just need to find some fresh tuna for this recipe or some mackerel that will make it taste really good. So thank you so much for watching this quick video guys, and have a nice day. Bye.